What is up, guys? Ivan here with getivan.com, and today I'd like to talk to you about my do-it-yourself flash fire white hat SEO guide. So this is actually a part of my greater do-it-yourself SEO guides membership. And when you get access to the membership, then you get access to a bunch of different guides that are complementary to one another. The point of this guide, this is actually kind of the first step in my membership package. And the point of this is to give clients an overview, an idea of the total strategy. So the big picture in terms of the SEO strategy that I teach. And to provide a list of steps that they can perform every day to be effective in their SEO implementation. I also provide a long-term implementation plan. So I kind of provide a daily picture, and then I provide a sort of long-term series of bullet points. And the idea there is, in beginning the course, people can get an idea of, okay, here's the big picture, here's what we're moving toward, right? And here's what I'm going to learn along the way. And I also encourage my clients at the end of going through all my materials and all my different sort of mini courses that are included in the larger package to go back to the do-it-yourself white hat or flash fire white hat SEO guide. So to reaffirm, they've got the big picture, they get down into the details, and then they get the big picture again, and then they can begin their daily workflow. So if you want to learn more about that, please check out the links below this video, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.